So first of all, why I'm chatting about Living Proof on these masks in particular. Living Proof is a brand that I've used a lot of their products before. They're paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free, cruelty free, they're PETA certified, so I knew they were a good brand. They this week have launched brand new masks and wanted me to test them out. So I've been using them and they are great. Started out with a Perfect Hair Day weightless mask. That's designed basically for my hair. It's for if you've got normal to fine hair, just needs a bit of shine, bit of moisture, bit of love, your day-to-day standard mask treatment that you're going to be using now and then. I'd say use it once a week. You can use it twice a week, depending on how much you're going to be using that heated tools, or depending on whether it's damaged through using a scarf in winter or the sun in summer. You might be using this once or twice, but I do definitely rate it. I've got it in my hair right now, actually, just a little bit, and I'm going to let it dry in, and then I'll go and rinse it out. Normally what I'd recommend is just using it for 10 minutes. So you shampoo your hair, bang that on, like towel dry it a little bit, get that moisture out, bang it on, leave it for about 10 minutes, do your other bits and bobs, then rinse it out. Second is the Restore. The Restore hair mask is your next stage up. So this is for people with coloured hair, dry damaged hair, they're using the straighteners all the time, or the heated tools, needs a bit more love than the weightless. I'm swimming a lot, or if you're using the hot tools, coloured, dry, damaged hair, this is going to be perfect for you. And last but not least is the Intense Moisture Mask. This fella's got a little frizz with a line crossed through it, so you know exactly who it's for straight away off the bat. It's for your coarse hair, your natural texture hair, your frizzy hair. It's going to be a lot thicker, a lot heavier, and it's going to weigh the hair down a little bit, which is what you need if you have frizzy hair. You shouldn't be afraid of a little bit of weighted products if you've got that type of hair, because it's going to be what you need. So dead quick, I'm going to show you the difference right now. This is the weightless one. This is the coarse one, and as you can tell straight away, the thickness is next level. So this one is like a conditioner, basically. You can feel it being a thicker kind of condition, a conditioning that you use once a week that's going to give a little bit more shine, reduce breakage. They say it reduces breakage by 70%. I obviously haven't tested that myself, but it's going to give you a colour safe, nice, natural shine to your hair once a week. This fella, you can already tell is more hardcore just by simply the opacity. This one is light and disappeared into my hand. This one hasn't at all. This one's going to be a lot stronger. Depending on what you need it for, depends on which one you're going to go for. In contrast, the center, the perfecting one, is obviously going to stand in between the two. So you can see it's not as opaque as this one, but it's not as opaque as this one. So you're going to see a bit more of a result with this one. Which one I'd recommend depends completely on your hair type and your hair regime. However often you can do it, however often you should be doing it, the seasons, what your lifestyle's like. Do you swim? Do you cycle? Do you wash your hair every day? Do you have that thicker curly hair that's going to need a bit more love? Or can you get away with something that's a bit lighter? Do you need something that you do not want to weigh it down? If you want volume in your hair and you have hair like mine, then 100% you have to go for the weightless mask, because it's still going to give you that moisture. It's going to help you, but you'll be able to get that blow dry in there or that set in there that's going to give you a nice bit of volume. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much. I've got it all over my hands now. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever you can, tell your friends about this. There's going to be a whole bit of education coming your way from hair, whether you're a hairdresser, interested in hair, or just have hair and want to learn a little bit more. This is the place to be. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.